Hello everyone, very good morning. I am hoping that every student is fit, fine, and healthy at your home. So, in the last class, we have discussed the chapter number 1 No Smiles Today. I have explained you the whole chapter. So, in the today's class, we will discuss the hard words of the chapter. आज की क्लास में हम हार्ड वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करेंगे और समझेंगे. इज इट ओके? सो we will begin from page number 1. So in the first picture, in the second line, they had a lot of fun together. So we will underline the word together. Everyone take your pencil and underline the word together. Now, in the second picture, second line, they also like to tell jokes and make each other laugh. So we will underline the word laugh. Everyone underline the word laugh. Then Shanti, Arun, come and have dinner. So we will underline the word dinner. Everyone underline the word dinner. Then coming Amma. So in this we will underline the word Amma. सभी लोग इस वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करेंगे, ठीक है? जो वर्ड्स मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो सभी वर्ड्स को हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ओके? आफ्टर दिस आई विल एक्सप्लेन all the hard words. So now turn around the page number 2. Everyone turn to the page number 2. So in the page number 2, the third picture, she was sitting on the last bench. So we will underline the word bench. Everyone underline the word bench. Now, in the fourth picture, did someone scold you? In this question, we will underline the word scold. In the fifth picture, last line, Shanti did not answer. She lifted her hand slowly. So in this line, we will underline the word lifted. Everyone underline the word lifted. Now in the sixth picture, but Shanti shook her head to say no. इस लाइन में हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे shook के नीचे. We will underline the word shook. All of you underline. So now we will move to the page number 3rd. On the 3rd page, first picture, everyone wondered if she had a fever. So in this statement we will underline the word wondered. All of you underline. After that sentence, Shanti only nodded to say yes. So in this sentence we will underline the word nodded. All of you underline. Then in the second picture, everyone was worried about Shanti. So in this sentence we will underline the word worried. Now we will move to the third picture. It was almost the time to go home. Arun knew he had to make Shanti smile. Suddenly. So here we will underline the word suddenly. All of you underline the word suddenly. So now we will move to the page number 4. On the page number 4, first picture, last line, it was a big green rubber frog. So here we have to underline the word rubber. Everyone underline the word rubber. Now, on the second picture of page number 4, then something happened. Shanti began to laugh. In this sentence, we will underline the word happen. All of you underline the word happen. Then, that's when the class saw why Shanti had not smiled or talked all day. So, in this exclamation sentence, we will underline the word talk. We will underline talked. Is it clear to everyone? I will repeat all the underlined words. The first word will be together. Second is laugh. Third is dinner. Fourth is amma. Now we will move to the page number 2. On the page number 2, fourth is bench. Fifth is cold. Sixth is lifted. Seventh is shook. Eighth is wondered. Ninth is nodded. 10th is suddenly. 11th is worried. 12th is rubber. 14th is happened. And 15th is talked. So we have 15 hard words in the first chapter, No Smiles Today. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. I hope everyone have underlined all the hard words. Okay. So now what we will do? We will understand the meaning of all the 15 hard words. Okay. So now what you have to do is take our classwork book and open the page first page. Okay, take a class book and open the first page. Now what you have to do is you have to write chapter number 1, no smiles today. Everyone write on the first page of classwork book chapter number 1, no smiles today. No, SMILES, smiles, TODAY, today. You also have to write in date in this column. You also have to write today's date in this column. Is it clear to everyone? So now make a star over here and write the heading hard words. Spelling is HARDWORDS. HARDWORDS. Hard words. Everyone give the heading hard words. I hope everyone have completed. So now we will move to the first word, that is together. Everyone write the spelling TOGETHER. together. टुगेदर का मतलब क्या होता है? एक साथ. Okay, the meaning of this hard word is एक साथ. Together means एक साथ. We were playing together. हम सब एक साथ खेल रहे थे. Okay, did you understand the meaning of together? Together means एक साथ. Okay. Now we will write second word. आपको याद रखना है कि आपके हैंड राइटिंग नीट एंड क्लीन होने चाहिए. Everyone should write in the neat and clean handwriting with proper spacing between all the letters. Okay, so now our second word is laugh. So give number 2 and write LAUGH. LAUGH. लाफ का मतलब होता है हंसना. लाफ मीन्स हंसना. Now give the third number and write dinner. 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 Then what does the word dinner means? Any idea? Do you know what the word dinner means? The food we take at the evening is called dinner. हम रात को जो खाना खाते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? डिनर. Then what will we call the food we eat at the afternoon? We will call it lunch. And हम सुबह को नाश्ता करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we call it? We will call it a breakfast. Okay? So we will have 3 meals a day, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Dinner is the food which we have at the evening time or night time. So now give number 4th and write A-M-M-A, Amma. Write A-M-M-A. Amma means our mother. हमारी मम्मी. Now give number 5 and write B-E-N-C-H, bench. Bench means anyone have idea? हम क्लास में कहाँ पे बैठते हैं? बेंच पे. Okay, the place where we sit in the class is the bench. Okay, so now after that give number 6 and write S-C-O-L-D, scold. S-C-O-L-D, scold means डांटना. scold का मतलब होता है डांटना. If you make any mischief at your home, then what did your mother do? Your mother will scold you. आप कभी भी घर पे शरारत करते हो तो आपकी मम्मी क्या करेगी? आपको डांटेगी. So the scold means डांटना. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so now give number 7 and write L-I-F-T-E-D, L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted. L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted. Lifted means उठाना. किसी भी चीज़ को या फिर अपने हाथ को उठाना. In this chapter, Shanti lifted her hand. So, Shanti ने अपना हाथ उठाया. So, what we will call? We will call it lifted. Shanti lifted her hand. Okay. So now number 8 is T-H-R-O-A-T. I repeat the spelling. T-H-R-O-A-T. Throat. Throat means हमारा गला. Okay. The inner portion of our neck, it is called throat. कभी कभी हमें सर्दी या खांसी होती है तब हमारा गला दुखता है. So we would call it as a throat pain. Okay. Now give number 9th and write WONDERED. I repeat my spelling, WONDERED. Wondered. Wondered means सरप्राइज, एकदम से चौंक जाना। वंडर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? मीन्स चौंकना, ठीक है। नाउ द 10th one, FEELING, feeling. I repeat the spelling, FEELING, feeling. Feeling means the things what we feel, whether it is anger or happiness or sadness. हमें जो चीज़ फील होती है, चाहे वो गुस्सा हो, हमारी खुशी हो या हमारी उदासी हो, द थिंग्स विच वी फील इज़ नोन एज फीलिंग। उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? फीलिंग। जो भी चीज़ हमें फील होती है उसे हम कहेंगे फीलिंग। ओके, सो नाउ द 11th one. Everyone give number 11. 11th is NODDED. I repeat, NODDED. It is nodded. Then what does nodded means? Nodded means not speaking anything and just moving a head. Nodded means to give answer of any question with the movement of our head without speaking. कोई भी हमें क्वेश्चन करता है तो कभी कभी हम उस चीज़ का जवाब बोल के नहीं, सर हिला के देते हैं। अगर हाँ बोलनी होती है सो वी विल नोड आवर हेड अपराइट, और अगर हमें ना बोलना है सो इन दैट केस वी विल नोड आवर हेड असाइड। ओके, सो नोडेड का मतलब होता है सर हिलाना और आंसर देना। इन दिस चैप्टर शांति nodded her head to say yes or no. Okay, so now the 12th one. Everyone give number 12 and write WORRIED. 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 It means worried. So now, what do we mean by the term worried? Worried का मतलब होना है चिंता करना। ओके, worried means चिंता करना। WORRIED. Worried. If we feel little sick, then our parents will be worried about us. अगर हमारी तबीयत थोड़ी सी भी ख़राब होती है तो हमारे पेरेंट्स को हमारी चिंता होती है, ठीक है। सो वी यूज़ द वर्ड वरीड। वरीड का मतलब होता है चिंता करना। WORRIED. So now we will move to the 13th one. SUDDENLY. 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 Suddenly means अचानक से. Suddenly means एकदम अचानक से. Okay. So now number 14th, that is RUBBER. I repeat the spelling, RUBBER. Rubber. Rubber means a material. ओके. रबर होता है, वो क्या होता है? इट इज़ एन मटीरियल. ओके. रबर बॉल्स आती है, रबर आता है, जो हमारा इरेजर होता है वो किससे बना होता है? रबर से. सो इट इज़ एन मटीरियल फ्रॉम विच द थिंग्स आर मेड. सो इन दिस चैप्टर what we are talking about? We are talking about a rubber frog. Okay, it is a toy rubber frog. इस चैप्टर में हम रबर के फ्रॉग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Which frog? That Arun has thrown on the desk of the Shanti. Okay, it is a toy rubber frog. So now the last one, number 15th, is MISSING, missing. So now here we have two meanings of the term missing. Okay, the first meaning is missing का मतलब, पहला मतलब क्या है? कि किसी को याद करना. ओके. I am missing my friend. मैं अपने दोस्त को याद कर रहा हूँ. That will be the first meaning of the term missing. Now, what will be the second meaning? The second meaning will be कुछ खो जाना. ठीक है. कोई भी चीज़ खो जाना, उसे भी हम क्या बोलेंगे? मिसिंग. ओके. माई मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ मिसिंग. मेरा मोबाइल फ़ोन खो गया. सो वी हैव द टू मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म मिसिंग. ओके. सो अभी इस चैप्टर में मिसिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? खो जाना. शांतिज 4 of the front teeth were missing. कि शांति के आगे के 4 दांत नहीं थे. ठीक है. सो वी विल गिव नंबर सेकंड मीनिंग ऑफ द मिसिंग. ओके. सेकंड मीनिंग इज वैलिड फॉर आवर चैप्टर. So now we have completed our hard words in the classwork book. Okay. So in homework what you have to do is write all the hard words in the homework book. जैसा आपने क्लास बुक में जैसे ही सारे हार्ड वर्ड्स लिखे, वैसे ही आपको होमवर्क बुक में लिखने हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स आर लॉन्ग. तो आपकी स्पेलिंग की प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी और आपको सारे के सारे हार्ड वर्ड्स भी याद रह जाएंगे ठीक से. ओके. सो फॉर टुडेज होमवर्क इज़ राइट ऑल द हार्ड वर्ड्स इन योर होमवर्क बुक. आज हमने क्लास वर्क बुक में हार्ड वर्ड्स लिखे, वैसे ही हमें होमवर्क बुक में ये सारे के सारे हार्ड वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. Okay, I hope everyone have enjoyed our class. Thank you.